update. It is now 10 o'clock at night. Been at this for about an hour and a half, 2 hours now. Yeah. There's your trunk, Gary, so far. Still got a ways to go. And here's your passenger seat. There's your stripes. You know how big that is. You gotta leave enough room so I can get it to your storage tomorrow morning and finish this little project up. And I told you, I just asked you if you wanted to be in my YouTube video next weekend. Well, you said how. Here it is, bro. Can't wait to get your reaction. Alright, here's another update. More progress on the car. The peanut gallery car, as I call it now. Yeah, I got the old Cleater shirt on. Can't miss that one. Anyway, I'll give you guys a little peek at it. I still have to get some more. I cannot believe those two boxes did not fill this thing up. Up to the headrest. The whole entire windshield almost. But don't worry, we'll make it happen before you get here this weekend. Alright, man. We'll be back. Alright, so we got... I can edit that out. So we got Gary Allen here, the known AKA Silverback. Silverback. And he's about to open his gift that me and TJ got him.
Wow. Come on, Diane. You wearing that too, baby.
Come on, Diane.
Just help me get dressed. I'm cold. I've been putting other clothes on.
Babe. I had to pull it in that way you couldn't see it.
I know. Look at these toys.
Oh, hell. Oh, hell no.
What are you talking about?
Oh, that's funny.
Gary's face.
What are you doing, Gary? Just take the top off. What's going on? The top is loose if you want to take it off.
Oh.
Keep doing that.
It took a long time.
Was it worth it?
Take the front off first.
This is a surprise, isn't it?
That's your surprise.
There you go.
Come on, Diane. Lift it.
Finally, dinner at that house.
Oh, my God.
What's going on?
Oh, Lord.
What's going on, man?
We got peanutted. We're snowed in.
Look at it.
I noticed it when I saw some on the ground.
Oh, no.
And that's when I looked.
That's funny, isn't it?
It's halfway up the headrest, bro.
All right.
We're like, is it going to be really fun?
I thought you was gonna hit me.
I would never hit you.
Now, here's the thing, though.
Not in here, but wait till we get outside. That's pretty cool, y'all.
Isn't that funny?
You look at it and have a third box.
You clean it out, right?
This is 2 huge boxes, bro.
Yeah, we're helping you.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you have bags?
I got a bunch of boxes.
No, we have a really big bag. We have a really big box.
So
My dear friend is no longer my dear friend.
Gary Allen Silverback, you just got nutted.
Peanut.
Peanutted.
Look at this.
Hop in, Gary. Let's go down the road. Let's go down the road
Hey,
with the
only
top
thing I
off.
do is leave the top off and the back open, cruise at about 90.
And hit it.
It's snowing peanuts.
Look, you got a good hat on there anyway.
That's yours. I figured I'd leave the present on top. How do you like your present?
Open up the trunk.
The present.
Open up the trunk. Yeah, it goes all the way to there too. It's pretty neat.
Well, so much for test driving my car.
Oh
Huh?
yeah, no.
The guy come over here buying the car, or looking at your car.
Yeah, I think that was.
He's gonna buy the red mistress.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that. Would you look at that?
Look at that.
At least it's not seen
Oh, yeah. Isn't that fun?
That's fun.
Stick your hand in there. See how deep it is.
Huh?
Stick your hand in there. See how deep it is.
It goes all over the floor, man.
It goes all the way to the floor, man.
If you open that up, though, you can't open it. Diane might be able to sit in there and enjoy the bubble bath.
I really have good friends. And y'all are my best friends. I love y'all. And this is the only reason you're alive right now.
It's so fun. No, but we
I
have,
love y'all.
we have a big box to put it in and stuff. But listen, the good thing about this is
I love you, Gary.
you can sell this. You can sell this on eBay.
Love you, Diane.